this is just a quick video to show you the contents of the Our Beauty Heroes by Boots, a collab with Revolution, and it was a December thing where you had to spend £15 to get this free, and it says it's worth 40 quid, but let's see. So the first item is the Soap and Glory Fizzable Bath Bomb, and it's worth about £4. The next item is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Makeup Primer, and it's worth about £6.99. The next item is the classic Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, which is worth about £5.99. Then we have the Revlon Hyper Matte Ultra HD Lip Mousse in Desert Sand, and that's about £8.99. Next we have the Sleek Matte Me Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Volcanic. Essie Nail Polish in Mademoiselle. And then there's a voucher for a third off XX Revolution product, and it's valid till June 2021. And then there's just a bunch of samples, L'Oreal, Elvive samples, etc. So when I've calculated everything, my total originally came to about £38, so it's just under £40. So was it worth it? I don't know, because I actually spent more than the £15 in order to get this free. So don't be a makeup junkie like me and just stick to what you need. Okay, thanks for watching.